Hi, dear friends, this is Photoshop, and let's see today how to select the object in Photoshop with the help of one of the best tools in Photoshop, the object selection tool. So we have the picture, we have the image. Let's increase it a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going to tools and click here. There are three tools here, and I'm choosing object selection tool. Okay. Now I'm going to my image and do left click of my mouse, and holding it I have to choose the object I want to select. If some areas are out of the rectangle, it's okay because the tool knows what to do. Let's see, I released my mouse. You see, the bunny is selected. There are some areas extras, it happens, so we can try one more time. Ctrl D to remove the selection, and let's do it one more time. No, the same. So let's copy our selection and create new file. Its size already chosen by Photoshop if you don't need some precise size, and paste. And now let us just remove those extra areas. I'm using Magic Eraser tool for that. It's very useful. And a little bit of usual eraser tool. Let's increase. Okay, that's it. And I'm saving it like PNG file.